السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، وأهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة من تقنية. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنستكشف مع بعض معرض بيج اندستريال ويك أو الاسبوع الصناعي الكبير من مركز مصر للمعارض الدولية في القاهرة الجديدة. مرحبا بكم في حلقة جديدة من قناة تقنية، نتمنى الحلقة تعجبكم إن شاء الله، وتعالوا مع بعض ندخل دلوقتي نستكشف المعرض مع بعض.
في حلقتنا النهاردة هنكمل جولتنا في معرض بيج اندستريال ويك، وهنزور جناح شركة ليزر سنتر الروسية ونتعرف على التقنيات والماكينات اللي عرضناها.
Okay, my name is Yudin Konstantin. I'm from St. Petersburg, from Russia. I'm introducing the company LaserCenter, which is based in St. Petersburg. We are introducing here some laser machine. This is the first machine. It names Turboforma. It's a new machine. It's a special machine for laser engraving, but it's not the ordinary one. It's specially made for making 3D engraving. You can see here. I will open the cover. And you can maybe to show you camera. So right now it makes a 3D sample. It's a small sample made from brass, 1 millimeter thickness, and you see the relief coming from layer by layer engraving. So
Okay.
after
So
it,
engraving in 3D,
Yeah,
layer
yeah.
by layer.
Alek, I will ask you, please give me a sample from the bottom. Вот здесь наверху в образец подай.
Okay, but engraving, not
Yeah.
cutting, right?
Yeah. This is no. This is engraving. Там большой где-то есть.
Bigger one maybe.
So I will show you a result of this. Yeah. So it was just a piece of brass. For now, it's a small sample. It's made by laser 3D and also cut it from a border. So this machine, also using this machine, it's possible to make the standard engraving. I mean flat engraving, to put something, everything, the text, the drawing, everything. Also, it's possible to cut, but the thickness it's about 1 millimeter up to 2 millimeters.
And which material you can cut from?
Most of my materials, this is a metals, so brass, steel, alloy, cuprum, silver, gold, anywhere.
And thickness, how much? How much thickness?
No, the thickness it's depends over time. So it's possible even to cut 10 millimeters thickness. Just it takes a long time. Yeah. Because the principle of cutting is layer by layer. Oh, sorry.
And this is the software where you enter
software.
the geometry and stuff.
Yeah. So this is software.
CNC.
Yeah, it's like a CNC. We are using ESTL12, let's say. So very easy to operate it.
Okay, so what does this machine do?
This is the same machine if to compare with the previous one. Yeah, but the difference is it couldn't do the 3D engraving. So it's possible to do the flat engraving. Right now, by the way, it makes a sample. Yeah. So the main meaning of this machine is a little bit cheaper, but the main application of this is it's very fine, detailed pictures, drawing, something like this. You can see how it works. It's pretty fast.
Yes.
And it's very useful, for example, in jewelry production, in identification details or something like this, like drawing their barcode or something like this. It's specialized on flat surfaces, on flat engraving. Yeah, this is specialized on 3D engraving. It has a little difference because if to explain it more detailed, it takes a long time.
Okay. Thank you so much, Yudin. Nice to see you.
Yeah, you're welcome every time.
وبكده نكون خلصنا زيارتنا لجناح شركة ليزر سنتر الروسية وتعرفنا على أهم معروضاتها. لو حابب تعرف أكتر زور موقعهم على النت newlaser.ru، بس خلي بالك عشان الموقع باللغة الروسية. نشوفكم في حلقة جديدة إن شاء الله.